Hey everyone, this is Walter and Deborah, and we're coming to you from the Hershey Chocolate Factory. We have visited here for 2 days and wanted to share our pictures and our videos of our time here. Quite amazing. It is chocolate, chocolate, and chocolate. Hey, we're back for day 2. Unfortunately, we didn't get to ride the tour bus yesterday, so we've come back this morning to ride it. We made reservations yesterday, and so of course it's raining, but still it was a good tour and well worth the money. Probably one of the best tours we've taken since we have been on this trip. So there again, some of the sights, sounds, pictures that we took. Hope you enjoy.
Came here in the early 1700s. That ridge on our left over there is where they founded their church in 1724. Little village developed around the church. The new church is behind the trees over here, those fir trees. An original church structure still stands over there, though. The old church burnt down, but the session house for the church is still there. It has a red framed glass case over top of it. If you look at that glass building, look hard inside, you'll see an old log cabin. That was the original session house. Built in 1732. Same year George Washington was born. Mr. Hershey put a glass case over it in 1929 to help preserve it. Today it may be the oldest building in the state to be in its original location, never having been restored. If you like colonial history, that's the Derry Presbyterian Church. Google it, follow the map. It's the oldest I'm telling you about. By 1910, he'd written out an additional $40,000 worth of checks for all of those. Mr. Hershey built Kitty a $53,000 mansion with a $40,000 bouquet out in front of it. You think he loved Kitty just a little bit. They only lived here together, though, for just 7 years. Kitty was born with a congenital illness. I've not seen a name put to it, but it had the effect that as she became older, she became more debilitated, suffered more pain. By the time she was 40 years old, Kitty was practically an invalid. And in March of 1915, she developed pneumonia. 25th of March, 1915, she passed away at the age of 42 years old. Mr. Hershey was devastated. He said, "I've lost the love of my life. I'll never get married again." He never did. He made sure she had fresh flowers every day.
Hey, well, that was a fun-filled 2 days of walking through the factory and seeing everything, seeing the store. The tour was really good, probably one of the best tours that we had taken on this trip so far. So we really enjoyed it, and we learned a lot about the Hershey family and what Mr. Hershey did. So good tour, and a really neat place to see and to experience. And we'll be moving on tomorrow, and you'll have to just tune in and see where we are. Thanks. Bye. Have a great day.